Hello students, in last lecture you have to see that the outline of modification of root, that is taproot, adventitious roots, the modification of these roots. Now I will start the modification of taproot. What is modification? You know that the normal functions of root, that is fixation and absorption, to fix the plant in soil and absorb water and minerals. Instead of these, some special functions to perform, some changes, some structural changes develop in the root to perform some special functions. It is called the modification. Here, modification of taproot for storage the food, for storage the food. When taproot store food, it becomes swollen, fleshy, and also develops definite shape due to storage the food material. The taproot changes its shape. Some special shape is formed. The main or primary root is the main storage organ, but sometimes the hypocotyle part of embryo axis also joins the main root. Secondary roots remain thin and they perform the function, that is absorption. That is absorption of then stem in such cases remain reduced, discoid in structure. Leaves are radical leaves, minute leaves are developed. On the basis of shape of the roots, the modification of root, they are classified as fusiform root, for example, radish, here due to storage of food, here the root is appear, structure of root is appear like this. Main root or primary root, on which the secondary roots are grow. Leaves are reduced, radical type, and this is the primary root. Secondary roots. Due to the storage the food, the primary root is get swollen at the middle, that is at both the end it is tapering, and at middle it is broad. Here spindle shaped in appearance, called fusiform root. On the apical part of root, secondary roots are present. Apical region, that is morphologically apical region, and this region here secondary roots are present, and middle region is swollen. For example, radish. Then second type, that is conical root. For example, carrot, conical root. Example of the conical root is carrot. Here primary root, secondary roots, and a discoid stem, a reduced discoid stem. Primary root, and these are the secondary roots. Here it is modification of taproot for storage the food. When primary root is brought at the morphological base, tapering towards the apex, and like that is in cone, hence called conical root. Thin thread like secondary roots are present all over the conical root, and they absorb the water and minerals. For example, carrot. Then third type, that is a napiform root. Napiform root, modification of taproot, that is napiform root. Here primary root, secondary root, this type of root, discoid, that is napiform. It is modification of taproot for storage the food material. Due to storage of food material in the primary root, it gets swollen and upper end become spherical and narrow towards lower end. Hence they appear like a top shape. Hence it is called napiform root. The basal part of the fleshy root is hypocotyle region. Second roots are present towards the narrow end of root. Towards the apical region, it is narrow, tapering, and towards the basal region, it is broad, and they appear like a top. Hence, it is called napiform root. This is another type of modification of taproot for storage the food material. Okay. Then next type of the modification for respiration, called the respiratory root or nematophore. For respiration, type of root is nematophore. Or it is also called a respiratory root. Respiratory root. In addition to this, the main root, that is roots are found in the plants, those are grow near the seashores. Such plants are called halophytes. Near the seashore, where waterlogged condition is waterlogged condition is present. Hence, such soil, oxygen is very less. Hence, to take the oxygen for exchange of gases, respiration, the halophytes develops some negatively geotrophic roots, that is above the soil surface, called nematophores. On the surface of these nematophores, the lenticels are present. Example of the such types of the plants, that is halophytes, are rhizophora. Grows near the seashore. Such soil, here waterlogged condition, salty soil, and that is why oxygen is less in this soil. To take the oxygen, they develops the roots above the soil surface, and these roots are called the nematophores. Roots grows negatively geotrophic. Roots bears many small pores called lenticels, exchange of gases. Hence, these roots are also called the breathing roots. Breathing roots. Okay, such type of roots are also called the breathing roots. Okay, thank you.